Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another super exciting video for you all because it only comes 4 times a year. Now it's time for the FabFitFun add-ons and customization options. And this is for the summer 2022 box. So if you want to check out all the items that I decided to add on into my cart, at least for now, and some recommendations and tips and tricks for the sale, definitely keep on watching. If you're new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling and a little bit of luxury as well. Just kind of all the things I really like enjoying in my free time. So if these kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and please consider hitting that subscribe button too. Alright guys, so of course the add-ons for FabFitFun for summer 2022 just recently opened for annual members. If you are a seasonal member, your opportunity to do add-on sales and customization is going to come a little bit later. And as per usual, I will list all of the dates for these sales for both annual subscribers and also seasonal subscribers down below in the description box. So definitely check those out. I know at least for the annual members, both add-ons and customizations for summer 2022 are currently open right now, and I believe they close on May 3rd. So hurry up, make sure you get all of your choices and selections all set before that deadline. So if you all are new to FabFitFun by any chance, FabFitFun is the only subscription service that I'm a part of. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun, and none of the items I'm about to talk about were gifted to me. I purchased these all on my own, and this video is in no way sponsored, so hopefully I can give you guys a pretty unbiased opinion about a lot of these products. But this is my most favorite and my only subscription service because I really love that you get full-size products from brands that I already know and love at really heavily discounted prices. So I love getting this box every season because it really gets me excited for the months ahead. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the add-ons in this video. So add-on sale is an opportunity for you to go ahead and add on some extra items into your mailing shipment, and it comes along with your seasonal subscription box. So at least in the continental US, there's no additional shipping for your add-on items because they all come shipped together in general. So these items really are oftentimes items from past boxes or past sales that they still have available. They also do include new items, and more I've been noticing they've been really including some more designer, higher end brands. So as you'll see, they do include brands like Free People. This time I saw a lot of sunglasses from luxury labels like Versace, Burberry, other ones as well. So they really do include brands that you know and you probably already like. So it's super nice to get this added savings, and it all just gets shipped right to your door with your seasonal box. So I just like to add on a couple of products every season. And this season, I thought the add-ons were actually pretty good. I tried to limit to what I put in my cart though, because it's super easy to go pretty crazy and just kind of add so many things, and then by the time you know it, the sale's over. Sometimes I forget to look through my cart before the sale closes, and how the add-on sale works is that on May 3rd, they will automatically close the sale, and there's no checkout needed. So whatever's in your cart at that time automatically gets finalized and billed to your account. So just be wary of that. Just you want to make sure you clean out what you don't want before the end of the sale. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just get started, and I have a handful of products which I'm really excited to try out. Some products as well that I really want your opinion on, because if you've tried any of these, I really want to see what you think of them and if you think I should go for them. So the first item here is another moisturizer, and as I've talked about recently, I'm really trying to get more into skincare and take care of myself a little more. So I love moisturizers. I put moisturizers on twice a day. So the first one here I have is from Kate Somerville. It's the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. And as you can see here, it's a pretty good savings, and it's essentially supposed to remove the dry skin and put it on twice a day. It's 1.7 ounces. So I'm not sure if you guys would recommend this. If any of you tried this, this is a product that I really would love your advice and opinion on. I do like the Exfoliate, the original kind of exfoliating product that I think this is part of the line of. but I haven't tried the moisturizer, so let me know. So the next item in my cart here is a set of shampoo and conditioner, and I purchased from this line many times on FabFitFun before. I think FabFitFun gives us pretty decent savings on this. So this is from Living Proof, and I do really like their products. So this is the PhD shampoo and conditioner. Each of these bottles, I believe, is 8 ounces. And I think it's just for general hair types. It doesn't really say. But I think I've used this exact product before and enjoyed it. So I almost for sure am going to add this to my cart. I think this is a pretty good savings for a Living Proof product. So either I'm going to go for that bundle of 2, or they also do have this hair care box, as you see here. So this one has even better savings, but they bundle a bunch of other products. So the add-on sales often add a couple products together like this in a bundle, and then you get even more savings on top of an original add-on savings. So definitely check these out. My problem with this though is sometimes I get so roped into the fact that you're saving so much money with these bundles that I go for the bundle. The problem is, honestly, a lot of stuff thrown in there I don't use. So I have to be pretty careful to watch myself with these bundles. But this one I actually think I probably will use. So this set includes the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner, which I just talked about, in the same 8-ounce sizes. It includes the Christopher Robin Hydrating Mask, which I haven't tried, but I think I'd like to give a try. It includes the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And I've raved about this product before on this channel, including my last FabFitFun seasonal video, because they did offer this in the seasonal box, which I definitely snatched up. And this product you can get on Amazon or Target, and I'm sure many other places, but those are 2 places where I purchased it before in larger sizes. Essentially, it's just a miracle product because it does everything for your hair. You spray it on either wet hair or dry hair, but this product really does so many different things. It's a detangler, defrizzer, a leave-in conditioner, just kind of a multi-use product. So we go through this like mad. The problem is, at least in my opinion, for a product like this, it's pretty expensive. You'll see on Amazon and Target. So, you know, in this size, I think it would be pretty pricey if you purchased that at retail. So that's why I'm excited to consider this bundle, because I would purchase this anyway, and I think I would save money here. All right, enough about that product. Moving on. It also includes a Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap in teal, and I think that was offered previously in other boxes before too. The Vor a Walk in the Sun. I'm totally butchering that name, but it's a luxury hair oil, which would be probably nice too. I often have really dry hair, especially in the warmer months coming up, so I think a hair oil will be really nice. And then it comes with this cute little Teary Pro Mini Boar Bristle Paddle Brush in rose gold, and I'm almost for sure that was offered in previous offerings because I think I have that already. But I mean, you can't go wrong stocking up on these little mini brushes. I think they're good purse sizes. So honestly, in this particular bundle, I probably would use most of these products. So I think I may just go for this and not the individual hair duo set, but we will see what I ultimately decide, but that's an awesome bundle. Okay, so the next thing that I have in my cart here is my favorite line of hand cream. It's from Mahava. It's the Sea Kissed hand cream, as you can see here. And this is a great savings. I mean, it's 72% savings. That's pretty good for this. This is a large size, as you can see here, 5.1 ounce. And I really love this one. It's a little bit less potent or strong of a scent, in my opinion, than their water version, which they often offer. So I do like this formulation. I may stock up on this, or I may not, just because I have so much of it already. But this hand cream has an excellent formulation. It's a little bit of a baby powdery, even velvety finish that it leaves, but it's not sticky, and it's really nice, pleasant scent, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely check that out if you haven't already. That's an awesome savings. And then here's where I probably need your help the most, because I was super excited to see in the add-ons this year that they have so many options for sunglasses. As I mentioned earlier, I saw a lot of luxury labels and designs. So if I'm going to be spending that much money on a luxury sunglass, I really like to try them on first, especially with sunglasses, because oftentimes the fit just doesn't look good on me. So I'm probably going to pass on those designer brands, although those are amazing. But I have brands that I really love for sunglasses, and I saw a lot of good designs. So I have 4 in my cart. I will not get 4. I have to force myself to not get all 4. But here are the options. So the first is from Key Australia. This is the Harper design. As you can see, it's this really cool cat eye look. So I've talked about Key Australia before, but I absolutely love this line of sunglasses. The price points are excellent and they're super trendy and stylish glasses, and they're very durable and hard wearing. The glasses I've had for years, and I don't baby them, I just kind of beat them up. I just take them out and about with me. So yes, I definitely would consider this version. I don't think I have a true classic cat eye like this, so yeah, I'm really drawn to this. The second key glass is Odin, as you can see here, and I really love this one as well. It's pretty unique because it has the round frame, but it also has the metal touches. So almost for sure, I think I'm going to go for this one as one of my options because it's just unique. I have nothing else like that. And then the next option here is also from Key Australia. It's the High Key style, and this is a black pink fade. So this is super cool. High Key is probably my most favorite design from Key Australia because I really love the oversized aviator look. I think it's just a classic look. I have it in so many colors. I know I have black, silver, a rose gold, coppery tone lens, and then also the black fade, which was so popular years ago, but I still use them. And this one's another fade, but it's the black pink fade. So this is super cool. It's obviously not that classic because of the colorway, so I don't know if I'm going to go for it, but I just love that design of glasses. And then the final one here that I have is not from Key. It's from Amber Seats, and this is the black aviators. So again, I just said I love wearing aviators because how classic they are. I have at least a couple other black aviators already, which is the only downside to this one, but I haven't tried this line. It's a great savings, and I don't know, you just can't go wrong with this style. So let me know, have you tried any of these 4 styles or brands, and tell me what you think I should do. I want to pick maybe 2 of them out. I have to really limit myself, so we'll see, but I'm super excited to get a new pair of sunglasses. Even if they're not super expensive, just getting any new pair of sunglasses just pops the outfit, makes you super excited to go out and about in this warm weather. So always love restocking sunglasses. And then I have 2 more items here. The next one is a really beautiful clutch from Poolside. It's a envelope clutch here in an excellent savings for 80% off. And I wasn't honestly familiar with this brand before FabFitFun. So when I looked it up, this is a pretty high-end handbag and accessory line, and I know it's sold at Neiman Marcus and I'm sure other places. But the price point, at least here, is listed at regular price of $195 for this clutch, and it's offered at an excellent savings. So this is just a really fun summertime clutch, I think. As you can see here, so it's handmade. It says using natural materials and out of straw, and it has the leather accents. So I bet it's really good quality. I'm super excited to get this. I'm for sure going to add this to my cart because I think it's a really cute design, and I never tried this line before. And as you all know, I love handbags and clutches, so I'm going to add this and check it out. I'll let you know what I think. All right, so the final item is just kind of a fun little item, but has a little bit of a story. So I'm probably going to pick this up, believe it or not. It's the Himalayan Glow Crystal Salt Lamp. It comes with a multicolored nightlight, and it's a 2-pack. This is random, totally, but my daughter recently got a lava lamp, and we got it on a recent trip to Hawaii, and I am putting together a vlog of that. We just got back, and it should be up shortly over the next couple of weeks, so definitely check that out. But in that video, we got a lava lamp in Hawaii, which I absolutely loved. Really wanted one for a long time. We plugged it in, it was working when we got home. It was a miracle and didn't crack in our luggage. Super excited, but then with less than a day, it fell to the ground. She accidentally hit it, and it cracked and broke. So we had to sadly throw it away, so she was heartbroken. So while this is definitely not a lava lamp, this is a cool alternative, I think. So when I saw this pop up, I asked her if she would want this one instead of a lava lamp. So yes, she was super excited, as I knew she would be. So I am going to pick this up for her. I think it's a super cool lamp to add to her bedroom. We may also get a lava lamp later, but hey, for now this is something that I'll do. So I was happy to see this, kind of a fun little add-on. Alright guys, so I think that's it. Those are all the add-ons currently in my cart. As per usual, over the next couple days, I'm going to keep weeding through stuff, check what becomes available on the website, because inevitably as we get closer to the end of the sale, people start taking things out of their cart and other items become available. So definitely keep checking. I think there's a lot of good options out there that I have my eye on, honestly. So if you want to check out all the items that I actually do end up purchasing in the add-on sale, make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming FabFitFun Summer 2022 box unboxing, and I will include both the seasonal box unboxing but also my add-ons as well, and let you know what I think about them in first impressions. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite add-ons from this season are. Otherwise, stay tuned for my upcoming customization video where you can customize with me, in addition to, of course, my unboxing that I just talked about. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. See you in my next one. Bye.